can't make me. I like the placement to be pretty exact. So, here I am. What do? We go round and round, not in and out, because if you go in and out, it takes air down there. Hear that little, see that little tip that it puts on the end? That's what you're tipping the end, the blondie end. I don't care what color your lashes are, the end is lighter. And they don't show up if you don't tip them out. I had to bark. I had to cough. I guess that means I'm a dog. Without blinking. Which most people don't blink. It's sneezing. Now I just hope I don't have a sneeze. So what I was going to say was, most people wiggle up here and they get at the base and go up, but it doesn't bend backward enough to get the tip ends. And if it does, it ends up with little spots in your crease because your lashes will hit your crease. So instead, use the tip of the wand before you ever start raking it through like this to tip it out. And that way you know you got the ends and you can focus on separation, combing it through slowly to make sure you got all the lashes, tipping out the edge lashes to make sure they got touched, because you want that little kind of curly lash out there. Wiggle, wiggle. Now that is on the lower ones. For one thing, it's right at the base, so it deposits a little bit of color. It's almost eyelining at the base, and that's okay. Then I'm using the tip end to kind of drag down any clumps off the end, and to make sure the little inner ones got some mascara, because they get left out sometimes. We don't want to leave the little ones roundy round, roundy round. You may pull out a little bit and do it a little higher because it's just a tube in there. Alright, now I'm going to tip it out again. Why? Because it's really going to build up that way. Now you don't have to do that. You could have left it at that. I like a lot of mascara. What's really cool about this is it's flat and I can put my thumb against it. It's really good to now just rake through very slowly that color. And while I do that, what that does is it lets me see how much is deposited on each lash. And if it's a big build-up goop, I can get it like there. I'm just going to pull that off to the side a little, and that got it. And also, do you see how it has more of a fanned effect? Wiggle, wiggle down, down, wiggle, wiggle down, wiggle down, down. Now, what am I going to do? Who knows? One last little, and I'm going to tip the ends of here, and you got to squint or it'll hit your cheek. And just go to the very end of each lash, or each little lash grouping, and just tip it straight down. And it'll make those lashes look so much longer. And yes, I do not believe as you get older you should stop doing your lower lashes unless you want to look older. That's my advice. Alright, so over here, people say as you get older to look younger, you just don't put any mascara on the lower lashes. I can't think of something to make you look older. I don't know why that's popular. Young girls use a lot of mascara on their lower lash. I don't even understand that thinking. Alright, so now I've already tipped it out a second time. So again, the reason I'm going very slow is to make sure I've got it placed where I want it. And then I comb through any glutes. Because when you go through the second time, it's already dried a little. So you may have a little volume buildup, which is what you want to make it look, your lashes look thicker. Oops, I got a boo-boo. So what do we do for those kind of boo-boos where you just have a boo-boo mess? Where's my little things? Where are they? What in the world did I do with my little things? Y'all, my little Q-tippy things. Where in the world are they? What did I do with them? Did I get rid of them? What? Y'all, do y'all remember? Tell me. What did I do? Did I put them somewhere? Did I hide them? Oh my gosh, where are they? What was I thinking? I don't see them anywhere. Okay. Well, I guess all I have to do is just use the tip of a tissue. What did I do with that? See how I got a little boogie right here?